running happiness. Can't believe this moment. I'm free. I'm free. Yeah. Look good, smell good, it's a vibe. It's a rocks on my wrist, it's about that time. I gotta go big 'cause I got that. Gotta go big 'cause I got one life. I'm feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good 'cause I never say never. 'Cause I find my place where I'm always feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
Welcome to Ellie's first birthday party!
I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while. I'll reach up
Full
to
name niya, Riela Catriel Aysay.
Kinuha namin yun sa pangalan naming dalawa. So, Ricky and Micaela. So, Riela. Yung Catriel naman,
Ako ko lang siya sa Congress, tapos nagandahan ako.
Oh, I hope this feeling lasts till the oceans turn to glass and the world around us turns and fades to black. Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun. This
Lagi ko
feeling
sinasabi kay Daddy is answered prayer kasi pinlan namin kung gaano katagal yung age gap nila ng kuya niya and sana ganitong month meron na and binigay naman kung ano yung ine-expect namin.
in the magic of your eyes, I become lost in their spell. So come closer, my dear.
simula nung nahawakan ko siya, parang nag-iba na lahat. Yung gusto kasi talaga namin isang babae at isang lalaki. Binigay naman siya.
Till the oceans turn to glass and the world
Happy birthday, Ellie. We love you. Happy birthday, Ellie. We love you. Happy birthday, Ellie. Happy birthday, Ellie.
young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun. When the sun
Thank you for bringing so much joy sa life ni Mommy and Daddy and kay Kuya.
Sana maging mabait ka na bata, kayong dalawa ni Kuya. Always magmahalan kayong dalawa.
perfect moments of you, I fall asleep to embrace in the morning, awake to that perfect side of you.
Happy birthday, Ellie! We love you!